Hey shockers, it's time to test your vibes. Say yes, no, maybe, or never. Let's see how weirdly awesome your choices are. You want to eat this? Nutella Cheese Pizza. You want to take this ride? A helicopter trip over an active volcano. You want to try this flavor? Wasabi ice cream. You want to visit this place? The Dubai Miracle Garden. You want to eat this luxury? Gold-covered sushi roll. You want to ride this? The Takabisha roller coaster. You want to try this experience? A real tornado simulator. You want to explore this? The glowworm cave? You want to go here? An abandoned Disney park in Japan. You want to visit this at night? Dracula's castle. So, what's your answer? Yes, no, maybe, or never? Drop your choices in the comments and hit that subscribe for more.